Welcome to the Tigapo I Reader Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you step by step through the installation process to ensure a quick and easy setup. What's in the box? Tigapo I Reader, 40-pin cable, UCL cable, coin acceptor replacement bracket, angled bracket, depending on machine location and view angle, tickets converter adapter for Chinese redemption games, tools required, electric screwdriver, 7mm 6-point deep socket, plier. Before installation, ensure the game is working properly by testing the following functions. Power. Confirm the game powers on. Measure and verify that the supply voltage to the Tigapo I is at least 12 volts, either from the coin comparator or the ticket dispenser input. Credits. Check that bills or coins add credits, and note how many are required to start a game. Accessories. Verify lights, speakers, and buttons are all working. Ticket dispenser. Confirm tickets are dispensed correctly and according to what is shown on the screen. Remove the existing coin mechanism. Connect the Tigapo reader on the bracket using the appropriate screws, then attach the device. Use the bracket to attach the reader in the exact position where the coin mechanism was. Connect the 40-pin cable UCL connector to the existing UCL connector in the machine. Mechanically, the installation is complete. If there is no UCL connector in the machine, then use the UCL cable adapter supplied by Tigapo. Using the crimp, connect the white wire of the Tigapo UCL cable to the game start wire that was connected to the coin mechanism. Usually, it is also white, but this should be verified. You can short it with the black ground wire. If this gives credit, then it's the correct wire. Using the 4-pin connector of the Tigapo UCL cable, connect it to the machine's redemption port. If required, attach the ticket converter adapter. Now, connect the UCL connector of the 40-pin cable to the UCL connector you've just wired. To organize the cables, secure the device's wire with a zip tie. It is also possible to mount the reader using the angled adapter, either in addition to or instead of the coin mech replacement adapter. This option can be used when the coin mech adapter cannot be installed, or when a better screen viewing angle is required. Congratulations, you're done. Once the device is powered and connected, it can be configured using the Tigapo web console.